Hey guys, and welcome back to Kids Collectibles. Today we've got a mega surprise egg opening with more than 30 eggs. You can see we've got Minions, some surprise eggs that we're not sure on. We've got Star Wars, we've got Avengers, Kinder Surprise. See some Frozen in there. There's a lot more Star Wars, more Frozen, Minions, more Kinder, some Play-Doh, and more Minions, and one large egg to finish with. Let's get opening. So which one should we grab first? I reckon we grab a Kinder Surprise. Let's take a look and see what our first toy surprise. What do we have? We've got a Hot Wheels car. Here we go. It's a Hot Wheels Kinder Surprise. Which one shall we choose next? Let's take this one. And whoa, we've got some wrestlers. We've got John Cena. And we have Mysterio. Some WWE wrestlers. Let's grab the Star Wars Chupa Chup. So it says Chupa Chup and Surprise. Comes with a Chupa Chup and a figure. Let's take a look. And we've got a strawberry Chupa Chup, and we've got the Death Star. Lucky I know my Star Wars. So you see here, that's what you can collect. Death Star, Stormtrooper, Chewbacca. Not sure on that one. You got Yoda, R2D2, Darth Vader, Ewok. Boba Fett, C-3PO, and more. And there it is. Now what shall we choose next? Let's go for this one. And what's inside? Oh, we've got Fireman Sam. And what should we get next? Should we take this frozen egg? Candy collection, one candy, one collectible, one sticker. Let's hope we get Olaf. Oh, there's quite a bit in here. It's a good egg. So there Looks like a bracelet, a candy bracelet. It's going to taste good later on. We've got a sticker of Elsa. For those that know they're frozen. See, there's 12 stickers to collect in the series. And 12 collectibles. And we have a hair tie. The girls will love the hair tie. What should we take next? How about this one? And oh, we've got Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. It's a Mashem. Let's put Mike right there. Which one next, kids? How about we go for the Minions? So, candy collection egg, collectible, a sticker, and a candy. What do we have? So there's the candy. We've got some candy bananas. We've got a Minions eraser. And there's a sticker. And there is the surprises you can collect. You can see there's a series of erasers or rubbers. And there is the stickers to collect. Now what next? How about this one? And yellow equals Minion. It's Stuart. And he's hitchhiking from the movie. The Minions movie. Let's go for this big one over here. What do you reckon? What do you reckon's inside that? It looks pretty full. You shake it, it will move. You can see it's full. Let's see what we've got. Oh, some good stuff in here. We've got the Cookie Monster. Cookie. And Elmo. And we have a Minion. I think we go for another Kinder Surprise. This one's a pink Kinder Surprise, which means it's going to be a toy that's probably more suitable for girls. And let's see. Looks like a Barbie, perhaps. It is. It's a Barbie Kinder. So let's quickly make her up. It's just a matter of putting the skirt on. There we have our Barbie Kinder Surprise. Next, we will take this one. What do you reckon's inside, kids? Oh, we've got a Paw Patrol Mashem. We've got Rubble. And he's got his eye on you, kids. What shall we go for next? We got a little Kinder type looking egg over in the corner, and oh, we've got C-3PO, some little Star Wars toys, and Han Solo, and R2-D2. They are really small. Let's go for this egg over here. Oh, we've got some WWE Teeny Mates. Got John Cena, The Undertaker, Sting, and Daniel Bryan. And they're pretty small as well. We'll put them over here next to the Star Wars toys. I think we'll go for another Star Wars Chupa Chup. Press it in, it opens. Let's see what we've got. And it looks like Darth Vader. Another strawberry lollipop. Now let's see what's inside this. We've got an Avengers head. This one is the Incredible Hulk. Candy character collection. Let's see what is inside. Certainly a good shake. Oh, that's quite a good surprise. We got some more lollies and a dog tag of the Incredible Hulk. There's 12 surprises to collect. There is 8 dog tags and then 4 minifigures. Not to mention the stickers you can collect. And we have got a Thor sticker. So there is the Hulk head. And even that's pretty cool. You can play with him. Another egg, and oh, hello Pepper. We've got Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Let's see what's inside this Play-Doh. I don't think it's Play-Doh. What is it? Some Ninja Turtles. How about that? It's not all of them, but it is some. We've got Donatello, got Leonardo, Michelangelo, and Splinter. So that means Raphael is missing. Let's open this frozen egg. So this one's different from the one before. Collect all 7 minifigures. Let's take a look. Oh, we've got Olaf. What do you reckon of Olaf? Excellent. Let's go for the Star Wars egg. One egg, one collectible, one sticker, one candy. So there's quite a bit in there. And what do we have? Some more candy. And a dog tag. We've got, ooh, Darth Vader. Put that alongside our Star Wars, sorry, our Incredible Hulk tag. So again, you can get some Star Wars dog tags or some little head figures, as well as the stickers to collect. And we got a Stormtrooper sticker. Let's open a Minion. So we've got a Minion surprise bag. A surprise figure inside. And we've got Stuart. Look at him. That's cool. Put him there next to our other Stuart. And I think we go for a Kinder Surprise. This is another pink one. So we might get another Barbie. What do we have? It looks like another Barbie. So let's put her together. And there we have her. Looks like she's ready for some baking or cooking with a hat. She's got a big spoon there. And which one next, guys? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 left. Let's go for this little mini egg. And another Minion. It's a Gone Batty Stuart. We've got 3 Stuarts, but they're all different. So let's take the Star Wars head, the Darth Vader head, candy character collection. Oh, lots of goodies in here. We've got more candy. And we've got a R2-D2. There is the set as we saw before. And a sticker we've got, oh, we've got Yoda. Let's go for, how about Iron Man? So these are pretty cool. We're getting a lot of dog tags. So we've got an Iron Man dog tag to go with our other 3. But I'm liking these eggs. See there, the stickers to collect, And then the minifigures and the dog tags. And those heads, they can come in handy. So we've got a Minions Mega Blocks, just like Lego. Well, there's quite a few bits and pieces in there. So let's make them up. So now we've got the goggles on. We know it's Bob. Let's put his body on. Squeeze them in. Let's see what he's supposed to look like. So there's the series of Mega Blocks. It's quite a lot to these ones. So there is his foot. And his other foot. And now he can stand on the blocks. He's got a booyah sign, but we'll have a play with our Minion Bob Mega Block Minion Bob later on. Because right now we're going to open another Kinder Surprise. And we've got another Hot Wheel. So our second Kinder Surprise Hot Wheel car. And that's a nice one. Let's open this Avengers head, Captain America. Give it a good shake. Kind of know what we're going to get in this one. We've got another dog tag. And more lollies. A dog tag. So we've only got 3 to go. And then the big egg. So we've got an Avengers egg, a Star Wars Chupa Chup, and a Stormtrooper head, and then our big yellow egg. Let's take the Chupa Chup. Another strawberry, and we've got Chewbacca. There is Chewie. Is that any good? I don't know. Probably not. So I'm pretty happy with Chewbacca. Let's open the Stormtrooper head. So we've got a Boba Fett sticker. Some more lollies. And then a Darth Vader dog tag. So second to last before the big one. And what do we have? We have a Thor. That's pretty cool. And we are down to our last egg. Our big yellow Play-Doh egg. So it doesn't make much noise, but let's dig in and open our final egg and see what's inside. Something pretty big. Wow, we've got an Optimus Prime, the leader of the Transformers. What do you think about that? There we go. And there's still one more inside the big egg. And it is Baymax. Baymax from Bih Hero 6. I love Baymax. So that is our 30 plus mega surprise eggs. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Remember, please do like the video and also subscribe to Kids Collectibles. Bye.